Mamacita, welcome back to my channel. It is so good to see you guys all back here today for this fun, fabulous unboxing. We are going to do a fitness related unboxing. So if you are into fitness, you love trying new fitness products, this one is going to rock your socks. I guarantee it. Barbellabox I have subscribed to now for a few months, and it is always so much fun to receive because there are always products in here that I've never heard of, that I've never tried. And that's the beauty of the subscription box concept, I believe. This one is $49.95 and it is billed monthly. However, if you do not want to receive it on a monthly basis, you can skip a month and not be charged without any obligation, or you can do every 2 months, whatever you feel comfortable with financially, or maybe you're going on vacation and you're not going to be around to receive it. So whatever your reason may be, you are not obligated every single month to get it. So this particular box I'm really excited to see what's in here because I have received exercise equipment in my boxes before. I've also received clothing like leggings and tank tops and such, and different snack bars, energy powders. I received chalk for barbells and such. I mean, there's so many different products that they offer and they put inside these boxes that you just never know what you're gonna get. And that's what I love about this box. So without further ado, let us open the Barbella box. So here we go. Hey there, Barbella. That's what it says. Okay, so here we go. I wonder if there's a little postcard in here this time. I'm not seeing it, but if you look here, look at all these products that I've received. Okay, so first up, I'm not seeing any sort of, oh, there we go, there we go. This is actually the July box. Total value over $105. It's called the Summer Refuel July 2020 box. This month will have 8 exciting products to fuel your hunger and passion before, during, and after your workouts. So here's the postcard. On the back, it includes all the items that are in the box. It gives a brief description of each item as well as the value of those products. So as I mentioned, this July box has a value over $105. So very, very awesome considering the $49.95 that I pay. Okay, so we are gonna go ahead. It looks like they gave me 2 postcards, so, all right. Okay, so first up, I did get a piece of clothing, you guys, look it. Okay, these are Fleo shorts, F-L-E-O, Fleo. I've never heard of that brand before, but these are true high contour shorts. Let's open it up and see. It says it's made with Fleo's Bounce fabric. These are crazy soft, breathable, and that perfect amount of stretchy. They're great for running errands or completing your next workout. You guys, these are kind of like biker shorts. I love biker shorts. In case you are really into biker shorts, you have to check out my last video that I did for Fabletics that has some super cool biker shorts in those that you need to see if you're into the biker shorts and fun patterns. So here is a black pair. They have the nice stretchy. You can see how stretchy and how comfortable this fabric is. I know I do have some leggings that are the same fabric, and I know that they are awesome. And I love the fact that they have a thicker waistband on top, so they're gonna cover my little upper flipper there. So that's what I like. These are gonna probably suck me in, which I do love, especially when I'm working out. So those have a value of $44.95. So almost hitting that $49.95 mark for what I pay on a monthly basis for them. So super cool. Next up, we have a Pro-Tec Orb Extreme Mini. Looky, looky. It is a massaging ball. You can never have enough of these, like seriously, especially if you get done running or working out. You know, if you're working your calf muscles, they're really nice to rub on your calf muscles or anywhere that is kind of feeling tight. This will help loosen it up. So this ball is $14.95. It says it reduces muscle fatigue, promotes flexibility, and enhances performance. You can never have enough of these. So that is awesome. Next up, we have Raw Elements Face Plus Body Tube SPF. Aha. If you are a runner and you like to run outside, you guys, you need sunscreen. You need it. You need it. Need it, need it, need it. So this is for your face and your body. Water resistance, 80 minutes. Never runs or stings the eyes. So that is always a must. Sunscreen. Yes, great idea. Okay, next up we have Almond Blueberry Superbites. I love blueberries. Like seriously, blueberries are like some of my favorite snacks. Like we always have blueberries in our house and I love eating them just for a snack whenever I am feeling for something sweet. These are Almond Blueberry Superbites. So, so this is more like a bar, okay? It wasn't what I was thinking it was, but this is like an organic almonds, blueberries, flaxseed, sesame seeds, chia seeds. Yeah, this is gonna be great to try, definitely. I love getting little snacks like this just to try because I always like to have additional snacks or things laying around so I can just grab them and go. So these are gonna be great. This is gonna be great to try. It's called Tosi, something like that. Okay, so these are called monkey grips. I have never heard of these before. These are $11.99 value. Simple in design, soft and compressible. These grips are highly effective in protecting your hands against calluses, blisters, and tears during, I guess tears too, during grip intensive workouts or exercises. So I've never heard of these. These will be interesting to try, you guys. Monkey grips. There you go. Yeah. And here it shows you how do you grip the bar, and this is how you use these. Whether you use kettlebells, whether you do pull-ups, deadlifts, barbells, these are supposed to help with that. So worth a shot, right? Right. So those are cool. $11.99 value. Then next up we have a blender bottle Gostak Starter 4-pack, $12.99 value. That is this, Gostak. What a great idea. Look at this, you guys. It's a blender bottle. You basically grab it, fill it, go with it. You can carry your powders, your vitamins, any snacks or supplements. You can put these in these awesome little containers and they stack and they come apart like that. So if you put a little powder in there, snacks, what an awesome invention, you guys. This is super cool. Gostaks, have you ever heard of these? So you can take these with you. Makes it easy they just twist and click. That is a super great idea. I love that. Love, love, love that. So that is a $12.99 value. And then we have a raw Rev Glow Bar. That is this one. Ooh, Glow Bar. Look at that. This is a peanut butter, dark chocolate, and sea salt flavor. It's a bar with raw superfoods, 11 grams of protein, 13 grams of fiber. It's gluten-free, non-GMO. $2.50 value, and a great post-workout bar. So I haven't tried this yet, but I love the flavor. I love peanut butter and I love dark chocolate, so I'm excited to try this one. All right, and then finally we have Whisps Cheese Crisps, another little snack, $1 value. These are delicious crisps, vegetarian, keto-friendly, gluten-free, peanut-free, lactose-free, and perfect for snacking on the go. Wisps, Parmesan cheese crisps. So basically for a snack, or you could throw them on a salad. Yeah, these are gonna be in my belly really soon. So you guys, look at that. We got this snack, we've got this bar, we've got the Almond Blueberry Superbites bar. We have this thing, which is super awesome idea, Gostaks. That. We've got the monkey grips. We have the massage ball, which yes. I've got a knot right there. Yeah. I needed that. Sunscreen. This is the Raw Elements Face and Body sunscreen, and the shorts. All of that for $49.95, you guys. Barbellabox. All of those fun things. Like, honestly, maybe the shorts and this I would have purchased like on my own, but these other things, I've never heard of them. And what a concept. Like, what a freaking concept. This thing right here. I would have never even, I don't even know what to say. I'm speechless. This is awesome. So $49.95, you guys. If you're interested, I will leave a link down for you to click, and you can check Barbellabox out for yourself. I will include all of these lovely items in my description box if you want to check them out. And yeah, I love this box. This is legit. The July 2020 Barbellabox. Awesome. Yeah. You guys, what do you think? Which item would you love to receive? I think these are the bomb. The bomb. So anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out my other fitness videos, related videos. I've done Barbellabox, I've done other fitness clothing, and just a whole bunch of other fun unboxings that you might like to try. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. We will see you soon.